Clay Belding here with the Fowl Life. We got the man, the myth, the legend, all the way from Georgia with us, Mr. Brad Arrington, Mossy Pond Retrievers. And we're gonna go over a couple, I would say more basic tips. And when we've gone over the years, we've done hand signals and all these really high-end dogs are doing this stuff that you're teaching them. But I wanted to go back to the basics. And I had an idea last night when I was thinking that this year when we're hunting, or every day basically when we hunt, we get up early in the morning, right?
That's right.
And we walk around, we have coffee, we bend over, we kind of get to loosen up a little bit. Dogs, they go from the kennel, they jump in the truck. A lot of people take them from the truck right to the blind and we're off 100%.
That's right.
They're high-tuned athletes, right? So is there anything that we can do with a dog to get them kind of warmed up?
100%. That's something that we coach all of our customers on. All of the trainers at Mossy Pond coach our owners on. When you take the dog out, you know, you want to go through all your regimen about airing the dog properly, giving him water, giving him, if it's really cold and he needs nutrients and the energy and the calories to burn, you want to give him a little dog food in the morning. But we definitely want to warm the body up and the joints and the muscles as well. And a lot of people say, well, Brad, how do you warm them up? Well, if you just go out and if I threw this right now for Axel, you know, he's going to launch at 100%.
Yeah.
And that's on the ACLs, the cruciate, and that's when you tear muscles. You want to walk him at heel. I like walk him at heel. You know, walk 300 yards and walk back, let the body warm up. But then at the end, this is more important than in the beginning. You want to cool that body down, temperature-wise and the muscles. And that's for your joints, your muscles, and it's also for the GI tract. So at Mossy Pond, we'll have a bird boy or a bird tech, then they'll take him on a leash and take him for a walk, just like you do a racehorse. Afterwards, you know, you want to cool that body down for the joints and before he can drink and eat.
Yeah, it's just like us when we're on elliptical, there's always that cool down session.
Yeah,
you
exactly.
get your heart rate up and then you have that cool down session.